Ooh, another train. I hear another train or big down there. And there's one going off down there. Well, there's a bunch of train tracks where we live, so we hear these horns every day. Cause there's a train track down there. Train tracks down there. There's one down there. See if I get another one. Just heard one down there faintly. Let me get that one down there. I keep turning my camera when it only honks a few times, and let's wait, see if it happens. Hope I caught that one in the distance.